All right, I'm back at Lowe's checking out the deals you should be going for in the later part of July. And they rolled out some new BOGO deals from DeWalt and Craftsman that I will get into. But first, I'm stopping off at the miter saws. They have some deal pricing on some of the saws, and I'm going to start off with the 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw by Metabo HPT. The deal price is saving 30 bucks, so it's 149. Normal price is 179. And they have deal pricing on the 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw by DeWalt. The deal price is saving 70 bucks and it's 299. Normal retail price is 369. And they still have good deal pricing on the 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. This is going to be the one that without the cut line system, but it is a good deal at 399. Normal price is 629. And I don't know when these deals come to an end, but it might be worth a pickup if you're in the market for a miter saw. And here is a good deal on the Bosch 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. Now they have just come out with a new version of this glide one. I think they call it the Surgeon. But this is a good deal at $549. The normal retail price was $729. So it is a good deal from Bosch. And it's a 15 amp motor. The max cross-cut capacity is 4 inches by 14 inches. And it weighs 88 pounds. So it is a beast. The thing that's nice about the glide system is that you're able to have it up against the wall and you're not dealing with the long rails like you would be with the DeWalt one. So you could have it up against the wall and not interfere with it. And it is nice and smooth. So I think it's a good deal at $549. And if you're in need of a miter saw stand, they have this one by Delta. It does fold up nice and compact and easy transportation because it does have the wheels on it. This is going to be very similar to the rigid one from Home Depot, with the exception these wheels on this one is smaller. I have the rigid one personally, which is the one I prefer, but I think it might be the same manufacturer because everything else is the same as far as the framing goes, as well as the extensions. It extends out for longer work pieces. As you can see right here, it extends out. It's a great saw stand. I do recommend this style of stand because it is easy to transport around and then able to handle the larger materials. And the deal price on this one is $149. Normal price is $219. So it is a good deal for a miter saw stand, especially one like this. And I will put links down in the description below for some of these items in case you're interested in picking them up. They will be affiliate links, so I will make a small commission on the sale, but it won't cost you any more money. And I do appreciate that support. And they have pretty good deal pricing on this Bosch 1,000-foot self-leveling rotary laser level kit. This deal is good until July 31st, where you can save 130 bucks on it. Pick it up for $599. And they have other laser deals that are going to be coming to an end at the end of the month on the 29th, actually. So you only have a couple days left. For 50 bucks, you can get the 100-foot red laser distance measurer. For 70 bucks, you can get the 50-foot self-leveling cross-line laser level. And 99 bucks, you can get the 50-foot self-leveling 3-plane laser level. So again, you only have a couple days left. And they do have deal pricing on the DeWalt 20-volt job site fan. This is not a hybrid fan, just so you're aware of that. It only runs on the 20-volt battery. It has a variable speed fan dial, so you can control the speed of it, which is nice. So the deal pricing, they actually have it as the same deal as Home Depot currently has it, priced at 99 bucks, which is saving $70 on it. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Now let's go to the next deal. And the next deal is going to be on the Cobalt 46-inch 9-drawer steel mobile workbench, saving 100 bucks. We've seen this deal numerous times, actually. And this deal is going to be coming to an end on August 5th. This is the box that I have, which is this one right here in particular with the black and blue color scheme to it. But they do have many other color options available, including this new purple that they just recently came out with. I do like the Cobalt box. It has soft close drawers. It also includes the drawer liners. And it has a power strip there on the side, as well as the cord wrap and the handle. It's a decent box for 400 bucks, but not for 500. And here's a look at the box that I actually have in this color scheme, which I do really like it. And I do like that it has the soft closed drawers. It's been a great box. I've had it for probably about 4 years now. And they do have deal pricing on the Cobalt 4-drawer tool cart. This is basically the US General knockoff. I mean, I can't tell any differences. Besides, this one does come with a side tray off to the side here. That's the only difference as far as that goes. So it's gonna be everything else is gonna be the same. Same with the punch outs on the side, which will be limited on what you can store on the sides because it's not gonna be deep enough for larger handles, like for screwdrivers or pry bars. So the deal pricing on this one is at $199. It was $279, and these are the different colors that it comes with, which currently, if you are an ITC member at Harbor Freight, you could pick it up for like $149 currently on the ITC deal, which is only a few days left on that one. And if you're looking for something larger, they do have a deal on the Craftsman 52-inch wide 8-drawer tool chest and 10-drawer rolling tool cabinet. So they have the package price priced at $798, and the 52-inch 8-drawer chest, the deal price is at $349. The normal retail price is $465, and then the 52-inch 10-drawer cabinet, the deal price is $449, and it was $599. So it is decent savings. It's not a bad price for $800 to get both the bottom and the top tool chests. And here's all the specs of the box. It includes a power strip as well as a USB-A and USB-C port. And it has a back pegboard so you can store additional tools on it. They do have it here in the store, both the black and red options. And the drawers on this one is soft close drawers. If you're looking for something a little bit smaller than the other one, this one is a 26-inch wide 5-drawer tool chest and 4-drawer rolling tool cabinet. The top tool chest, the deal price is $99. It was $127. And then the bottom 4-drawer cabinet, deal price is $155. It was $177. And these are not soft close drawers, just so you're aware of that. And they still have the deal pricing on the 63-inch Patriotic workstation, priced at $700. It was $1,000. And this also has the soft close drawers. And these are decals that are magnetic decals on the toolbox itself. And they do have a couple deals on DeWalt combo kits. So they have this 3-tool combo kit that includes a 6.5-inch circular saw, 2 5-amp-hour batteries, the charger, impact driver, as well as a drill driver. That's priced at $349, saving $100. And you do have until July 31st for this deal. But I'm going to recommend a different one, actually. They have a better deal, in my opinion, for only $20 more, where you're going to be upgrading to a hammer drill with a power stack battery, a 5-amp-hour battery. Also includes the impact driver, a flashlight, and the recip saw. And that deal price is at $369, which is saving $130. So much better deal, in my opinion, especially get a power stack battery, as well as a hammer drill, versus the other one is not a hammer drill. Now, if you happen to be in the DeWalt 12-volt platform or looking to pick up some 12-volt tools, they do have some good deal pricing on some. So they have this Extreme 3/8 ratchet in the 12-volt, and this is going to be sold tool only, and the deal price is at $99. And it's normally priced at $199, so it's 50% off. It's a pretty good deal on that one. And they also have a pretty good deal on the 12-volt half-inch compact impact wrench. This one's priced at $99 as well, and it's normally priced at $169. And they do have a deal on the 12-volt oscillating tool. This is obviously a lot smaller than the 20-volt version. They have this as a tool only, priced at $99. It was $159. Now, one of the things to consider is that the 20-volt one has actually been on sale for $99 or $119, and it includes a battery. So that would have been a better deal to go with. But if you're looking for a nice compact oscillating tool in the 12-volt, might be a good pickup at $99. And the next option is on the Extreme 5 3/8 circular saw, also tool only. They also had that price at $99, saving $70. And the same thing goes for the one-handed recip saw, also priced at $99, and it's normally priced at $169. Now I'll show you the new DeWalt BOGO deal they just came out with. It's going to be on the XR tools. So it's when you buy one of these tools, you get a 2-pack of the 4-amp-hour XR batteries. And here's a look at the sign. So those options are the hammer drill, the SDS Plus rotary hammer drill, the impact wrench, the 6.5-inch miter saw, the planer, the radio, the 7.25-inch circular saw, the paddle switch grinder, the ratchet, the barrel grip jigsaw, the 6-amp-hour battery starter kit, and the recip saw. So those are your options to purchase to get the 2 4-amp-hour XR batteries. That's a $269 value. And to give you an idea on some pricing on these tools you'd have to buy to get the 2 4-amp-hour batteries. So the ratchet is $279, and that's the 3/8 and half-inch one. So it has the anvil to switch it out, which would be great. So you don't have to have 2 separate ratchets. So that's $279 for that one. Next option is on the hammer drill. That's priced at $249. Then they have the half-inch impact wrench. It's priced at $279. And of course, they keep raising the pricing on all these tools. So they now have the planer, sharpener, it's priced at $259. The paddle switch grinder, priced at $279. The reset saw, priced at $279. The barrel grip jigsaw, priced at $239. And then down at the bottom is the XR series of the 7¼ inch circular saw, priced at $279. And also at the very bottom, they have the 7¼ inch miter saw, priced at $369. And this DeWalt BOGO deal does come to an end on October 14th, so you actually have a few months to get it, obviously while supplies last. And here is the Craftsman BOGO deal. And this time you have to buy the battery starter kit for $129, which is the 3 amp-hour advanced battery and a charger. Then you do get your option of these select tools for free. And that's going to be the impact driver, impact wrench, the circular saw, the trim router, paddle switch grinder, the recip saw, the oscillating multi-tool, the ratchet, or the hedge trimmer. This deal is going to be coming to an end on October 18th, so you do have an extra 4 days versus the DeWalt deal. So based on the picture, these are all going to be brushless, I think with the exception of the ratchet. And I'll show those available tools that you can get as a free tool, and I'll show the free tools that you have available to choose from and what their values are. So the ratchet, the retail price is $139. The oscillating multi-tool is actually on a deal price right now at $99. It was $129. They have the recip saw priced at $149. Then they have the impact wrench priced at $199. And these are bare tools, by the way. And that's probably going to be your best bang for the buck you're going to get for free, which offers 275 foot-pounds of torque. The trim router, I know it's kind of hard to see with the reflection, but the trim router is priced at $119. The impact driver is priced at $99. This is the hedge trimmer. They have that priced at $139. And then down here is the circular saw. They have that priced at $189. So those are your options from the Craftsman BOGO deal. So like I mentioned, the best bang for the buck is going to be on that 1/2-inch torque wrench, that $199 value you're going to get for free, which is going to be an excellent deal because you only have to pay $129 for the battery starter kit. So excellent deal there from Craftsman. And they have a pretty good deal on this Metabo. It's the 8-gallon trolley air compressor. It's rated at 225 max PSI. It has the dual air ports to it. It's pretty large. It has a couple handles, the top handle here, as well as a bottom handle here that will extend out so you can move it around. It does have a couple pneumatic wheels that take air, just so you're aware of that. So the deal price is at $379 and it was $529. So it is pretty good savings right there. And they also have a deal on the Metabo HPT of the 6-gallon pancake air compressor. It also has the 2 dual air ports, and it says it's rated at 79 decibels. And the deal price is at $199, saving $50 on that one. And they do have a couple shop vac deals. This one's not necessarily the best deal because it is only saving $10, but it is a solid vacuum because it is the newer DeWalt Stealth Sonic one. So it's going to be 50% quieter than other shop vacs out there. This one is the 6-gallon one, 4 horsepower. It has a 10-foot power cord, and it has an 1 7/8-inch diameter tools. So that's priced at $75, saving the $10. And here's one with a little bit better savings of $20 off. And that's going to be on the 12-gallon Stealth Sonic one, 5.5 horsepower, and it has a 20-foot power cord and a 7-foot hose. It also has a 2.5-inch diameter tools, comes with a 3-year warranty, and that's priced at only $119. And the normal retail price is $139. And they have a Craftsman shop vac that is a 5-gallon, 4 peak horsepower. It has an 1.25 inch cleaning tools. And you're saving $10 on that, and you pick it up for $60. And they're out of stock on the shop vac brand of the 4-gallon poly wet dry vac. It's a 6 horsepower. That's priced at $79, saving $20 on that one. And they also have different deal pricing on the shop vac brand of the cleaning accessories for the shop vacs. So for example, you can save a couple bucks on the 12-inch combo nozzle. So that's $13.75. It was $15.28. So they have various ones where you're saving like basically $1 or $1.40, like on the brush, angle brush. So if you happen to need some accessories, definitely check them out. It's saving just a couple bucks here and there. So they have an excellent deal on this DeWalt professional single pouch. It even comes with a belt. The deal price on it is only $25 and it was $55. Might be a good pickup if you're in the market for a single tool pouch. So here's a look at the inside. So it has other dividers for tools that are pre-sewn in. Dividers for tools, larger front compartment. It has other tool storage on the side there, as well as a hammer holder on the other side. So it's made of 1680 denier polyester. It has 12 pockets, spacious structured pockets, and it has a carry handle, which is pretty nice compared to other tool pouches. that are on belts don't have a carry handle like that. And take a look at the belt that it does come with. So I think it's a pretty good value for only 25 bucks. All right, that's going to be the tool deals I'm going to cover in this Lowe's video. If you did get any value from it, I'd appreciate give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel for more deal videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.